Morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be installing some stripes on Alex's C300, I think it is. I'm just going to cut out some logos for HQ BMW that Alex wants for his car, and I'm probably going to cut out a few for my cars as well. And if any of you guys want one, comment below and I'll get in touch with you. Stay tuned, here we go. So for those who don't know, this is what it looks like after the vinyl's been cut out. You guys, I don't think, are going to be able to see anything, but this is what the weeding process entails. So when somebody gives you a quote to make you stickers, the thing that you guys might not be aware of is the amount of work that actually goes into making the stickers. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration on what it takes to weed stickers. This is where you're actually taking away the excess vinyl that has already been cut out. So when you're making all the stickers, you have to do this. There's no product or no fancy equipment that does this for you. Somebody has to sit down and do all this stuff. So I'm going to get this stuff weeded and keep moving on, and so I'll be back to you guys in a bit. There you go, Alex. You are the first one to have an HQ BMW sticker that's going to be on your vehicle. So here we are. We're going to get the garage emptied and get ready for Alex to come on over and bring his car down. I'm going to move the wife's X1 out, and I'll move the camel car out. And I said I wasn't gonna move the camel car anymore and it was gonna stay here, but I figured I'll give you guys a treat and let you hear what a cold startup on my 2013 BMW 335 with Corsa exhaust and VRSF Catless downpipe. Here's a cold start for you guys. Okay, so there you have it. There's what the cold startup of my F30 sounds like. I have to say, it's a lot louder than what it was before. Hopefully the neighbors don't come to hate me, as I do have really good neighbors on both sides of me. So we're just gonna send it. What else can we do? Okay guys, so we got the garage all cleaned out. Now we're just gonna wait for Alex to get here and we'll get his stripes installed. We'll get the new logo installed on his car, and we will show you guys the end result once it's finished. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I look forward to showing you guys the end result. So we finished the stripes. We didn't put the logo on. Kind of look a little funny if we put a BMW, HQ BMW on a Mercedes. But here's the end results. What it's gonna look like. And we did all the way down to the front. Yeah. So it turned out pretty good. Just for anything of what you guys want to know, it's Alex's 2018 C300. He has lowered it on H&R springs, so the stance is much nicer than factory. And yeah, I just want to do the stripes to add a little flair to, like we all have to do, make our cars unique and look like our own, not something factory. There you have it. Happy customer, new ride. And now I think the snow's coming, so we better go and put Quinn away and get her parked for the winter now. I think that'll probably be the last graphic install that I do for somebody this year, just because I don't really have the garage big enough to be storing my camo car, which it is going to be up on the quick jacks all winter so that I can work on it. And I don't want to have to try and move all that around and try and get a car in here. I mean, worst case scenario, I could probably have got his car in here, but the day was nice enough that I thought I would just put it out on the street for now and let it see some fresh air, I guess. And but yeah, I know it was kind of raining, sleeting earlier, so I'm gonna go and grab it and tuck it away now and get ready to put it up on the car jacks. I said I would do this for Alex, and we got the material in on Friday, so I just get her done. He's happy, I'm happy, everybody's happy. So thanks for joining us. Please subscribe. Stay tuned and watch for the next vlog. Who knows what's coming next, and peace out.